Hello and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing. We are getting into the season where we are packing and unpacking homes as they are going on the market and helping families. And what I wanted to tell you is that there is, in my opinion, a right way and a wrong way to label your boxes. Now, we do this every day. This is part of our routine, but maybe this is something that you haven't experienced before. So I want to make your life a lot easier. What you want to do when you're labeling your boxes, we love to categorize things and kind of itemize them before they go in. So we know, hey, this is all kitchen items and these are all utensils or servingware or, whatever it might be, appliances, little kitchen appliances. And then when we label, we want to label kitchen. We also want to label what's in there. And then I think I've mentioned this before, we like to use color coding. So we were going to put some pink tape, let's say, if pink is our, kitchen color, on the top and on the side. So that way, if I'm looking at the box from the side or the top, I know exactly pink's going into the kitchen. Now you're going to label your boxes not for where they came from, but where they're going to go. And an example of that is you might have some things in the kitchen. Let's say you've got a bar space and you want to put those cups down in the bar space. We don't want to label them kitchen. They're going to get unpacked in the kitchen. We're going to label them downstairs bar, even though they came from the kitchen. So we always want to label to where we're going. We want to give it a nice color code. And then of course, keep your key to your color code so you know exactly what you're doing when you get to the new house and you're ready to unpack. And so get those labels, dial them in as best as you can. The other one last thing you want to do is if there's any boxes that you need to open first, critical items, things you use every day, right on that box, open first. That is huge because when you have hundreds of boxes, you are not going to know which one you should open first. So if there's anything very important, anything you need to use every day, make sure you're putting those labels on the top and the side of the box. All right, I'll see you next week for another Just the Tip.